What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with KRETZ Customs. Today I have a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 which is going to be the classic body style that we're going to go over, what we added, what the lift kit is, the wheels and tires. So if you guys are looking to figure out what you should be putting on your truck, I'm going to go over exactly what we did. So first, the lift kit is going to be a 7-inch rough country suspension lift kit. This one's going to be the knuckle kit. So they do have some different options, but we did go with the knuckle kit on this one. Which this lift kit is going to allow us to lift this truck up, fit this bigger wheel and tire package on it, and also make the front leveled out with the back, so it's a straight look going down the road. This one's going to have the strut spacer in this package, so we didn't go with a lifted strut. This one doesn't have a lot of miles on it, so there's no need to really replace that strut yet. So we just go ahead and put that spacer on there. If you wanted to, if you do have a little bit more miles on there on your truck, you can go ahead and upgrade to a lifted strut. Or if you have either one and you really just want a really good ride quality, you can also go with the Vertex adjustable coilovers, which are going to give you the best ride quality no matter what. We're going to do some trimming down here, made it look nice, so it really isn't going to have much rubbing issues when you're going at a full turn, with this tire, which is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Verge Grappler. This one's going to be the hybrid tire, a mix between the mud terrain and all-terrain tires. So it's going to give you the best of both worlds when it comes to the look and the performance. You're going to get the aggressive look, a little bit more knobbier tread, so you could take this off-road if you want to, but it's also going to give you a quiet ride and a nice long wear life on the road as well. The wheel's going to be a 22x10 Fuel Sledge. This one's going to be a little bit different. It's going to have a matte black face with the gloss black lip. That's going to be a pretty interesting feature on this one. This one's also going to have a lot of rivets going around the outside, so it's going to help give that more off-road look, as well as how the spokes are designed with the split spoke and a little bit more grooves going around the edges of the spokes. Just give it a more aggressive look overall. So overall, this whole build is a very good look for this truck with the all black finished out look. So if you guys like this build and like what we did to this one, and you want to do the same thing to yours, you can do that. We can help you out, and also we have 0% financing options for up to 12 months. So if you guys want to get your truck built, don't want to pay all right now, we can definitely do that for you. Just check out all the information about this build and how to do that down in the description.